Alright, let's be real. If you're busting your butt and still not losing weight, it's flat out frustrating. You're putting in the work, sweating it out at the gym and making what feel like all the right choices, but the scale just won't budge. It can feel like you're stuck in a loop, doing everything you're supposed to, but not seeing the results you want. I've been there, and I know how much it can mess with your head. It's easy to start doubting yourself, wondering if you're ever going to make progress or if you're just destined to stay stuck. But the truth is, most people hit this wall at some point, and it's usually because of a few sneaky mistakes that are easy to overlook. So today, let's crack open the biggest mistakes that might be sabotaging your fat loss journey. We'll break them down one by one, so you can spot what's holding you back and finally start seeing the changes you've been working for. Mistake number 1. You're eating healthy, but you're still overeating. It's awesome to swap out junk food for whole, nutritious meals, but portion size still matters. Even healthy foods can add up fast if you're not paying attention to how much you're eating. It's so easy to snack on nuts, granola, or avocados, stuff that's great for you but also packed with calories. A handful here, a spoonful there, and suddenly you've eaten way more than you realized. These foods are nutrient-dense, but they're also calorie-dense, so it's important to keep an eye on your portions. Remember, calories are calories, even if they come from kale chips. Just because something is labeled as healthy doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts. Tracking your intake, even for a few days, can be a real eye-opener. The truth? If you're in a calorie surplus, you won't lose fat, no matter how clean your food is. Your body doesn't care if those extra calories come from cookies or quinoa. A surplus is a surplus. Mistake 2. You're obsessed with the scale. We've all been there, stepping on the scale every morning hoping for a lower number and feeling crushed when it doesn't move or even goes up. Here's the deal. The number on the scale isn't the whole picture. Your weight can fluctuate for all kinds of reasons. Water retention, hormones, even what you ate the night before. You might be losing fat and gaining muscle at the same time. Muscle is denser than fat, so your body can look leaner and more toned, even if the scale doesn't change much. Instead of stressing over every pound, focus on progress photos, measurements, and how your clothes fit. These are way better indicators of real progress than a single number. Mistake number 3. You're doing endless cardio and skipping weights. Cardio is great for your heart and burns calories, but it's not the only tool you need. Cardio burns calories, sure, but building muscle is your secret weapon for fat loss. Strength training helps you build lean muscle, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Muscle burns more calories at rest, so pick up those dumbbells and make resistance training a priority. Even 2 or 3 sessions a week can make a huge difference over time. 4th, you're not sleeping enough. Seriously, sleep is underrated. It's not just about feeling rested. Your body needs sleep to recover, regulate hormones, and keep your metabolism running smoothly. Poor sleep messes with your hunger hormones and makes cravings way harder to resist. When you're tired, your body craves quick energy, which usually means sugary or high-calorie foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night and you'll see a difference, not just on the scale, but in your energy and motivation. Better sleep means better workouts, better food choices, and a better mood overall. Mistake 5. You're chasing quick fixes. It's tempting to believe there's a shortcut, but most of those miracle products and fad diets just drain your wallet and your willpower. Fad diets, detox teas, skipping meals, all they do is set you up for disappointment and rebound weight gain. They might work for a week or two, but they're not sustainable, and you'll end up right back where you started, or worse. Fat loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Real lasting change takes time, and it's the small, consistent habits that add up to big results. Consistency beats perfection every time. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep showing up, even on the tough days. And last but not least, you're not tracking what you eat. It's easy to underestimate how much you're actually eating, especially with snacks and little bites here and there. Guesswork is the enemy of progress. If you're not tracking, you're just guessing, and that makes it almost impossible to spot where you're going wrong. Even just a week of tracking can show you where you're slipping up. You might be surprised at how much those little extras add up over time. Don't just eyeball it, log it, and learn. The more aware you are of what you're eating, the easier it is to make changes that actually stick. If you fix even one of these mistakes, you're already ahead of the game. Every small change you make is a step closer to your goals, and it all adds up. Fat loss isn't about suffering or starving, it's about smart habits, a little patience, and zero quit. It's about building a lifestyle you can actually enjoy and stick with for the long haul. So, take a breath, trust the process, and keep grinding. You got this. Remember, every day you show up for yourself is a win, And the results will come if you stay consistent and keep believing in your journey.